everybody, this is Kimberly Christine, and you are officially in Kimberly's Crypt, and I am going to show you a wardrobe hack. So, how's that? So, as you see, I have some lovely armbands on, arm gloves, fingerless gloves, by the way. Now, I want to show you how I made them, totally free, and a great way to upcycle something. Basically, they are an old pair of pantyhose. Yes, these things that tend to get holes on the bottom. Boing! Okay. Sorry. So yes, these definitely are ready for the trash, but a great way to upcycle them is to cut them off and make nice little armbands. So just cut it from the very top, right underneath the legs. And these are terrible scissors because I'm not in my real crypt space. So once you have that, now we are going to put it up. Let me take this one off first here. Even if you don't have a hole and you have a pair of pantyhose that say don't fit you, or they're stupid, or the colors are something, you'll never wear them on your legs. You know, you've grown or whatever the case may be, you ripped out the, you know, the crotch and stuff. It happens, right? Stop your dirty minds, right? All right, so since this one doesn't have a hole, so what you're gonna do is pull it up as far as you can, and you got your thumb here, and you got the seam, right? The seam for the feet at the tip of the fingers, just so we have an idea of where everything is. So you're just gonna take just a little snip in the thumb, right in between that webbing there, just a little snippy snip, and you got your nice thumb opening. And then you're just gonna lift up the very boot of it, right? The very where the toes are, and just cut your fingers off. These scissors are terrible. Yes. So there you have it. Easy hack. Old pantyhose, and voila, you've got yourself a nice new glove that is great for wearing underneath t-shirts, especially during the winter. It's nice having these, right? Just for that little extra warmth, and if you want to wear your shirt sleeves. Alrighty, my friends, that's Kimberly's hack. You have been hacked. You have been hacked. No. I'll figure something out. You guys have a great day, and stay tuned. I'll try to do these every now and again. If they're popular, who knows, maybe I'll do more. We'll see. Off to my dog costumes for the holidays. All right, people, stay spooky. Bye.